Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. For this video, we are going to discuss you are going to learn about chapter 2 standard 5 standard form. This is part 5, which is the last part for this chapter. Our learning standard for this video: solve problems involving numbers in standard form. Okay, how do you solve problem involving numbers in standard form? So have a look at this example. A ream of paper contains 800 sheets of paper. The thickness of one sheet of paper is 9.4 times 10 to the power of negative 3 cm. Given the total thickness of n reams of paper is 225.6 cm. Calculate the value of n. So this is the solution. First, you have to understand the problem. What are the information in the question? So this is all the information given in the question. Number of sheet in one ream equals to 800. Thickness of one sheet equals to 6.4 times 10 to the power of negative 3. And thickness for n reams equals to 225.6. So next, implementing the strategy. Okay, before we implement the strategy, first we have to planning the strategy. So the question asks to determine the thickness of one ream of paper. Okay, n is equals to thickness of n reams divided by thickness of one ream. So next, we implementing the strategy. Thickness of one ream equals to 800 times 9.4 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So equals to 7.52 cm. Thus, calculate the value of n. Thickness of n ream, which is 235.6, divided by thickness of one ream, which is 7.52. So n equals to 30. So making a conclusion, number of reams is 30. Next, example 15. A property firm bought a piece of land in the shape of right angle triangle PQR as shown in the diagram. Calculate the value of PQ in meter and state your answer in standard form. So since this is right angle triangle, okay, for that, this is the solution. First, you have to understand the problem. Given in the question, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. If PQR is a right angle triangle, then QR is a hypotenuse. Okay, next, planning the strategy. We want to calculate PQ using Pythagoras theorem and calculate the area of land in the shape of triangle PQR. Multiply total land area by cost of 1 meter square of land. This is actually question B. If the cost of 1 square meter of the land is 45 ringgit, calculate the total cost of the land in ringgit Malaysia. So now we implementing the strategy for A, which is Pythagoras theorem. PQ square equals to hypotenuse square minus this side square equals to 7.84 times 10 to the power 4. In order to calculate the PQ, we have to square root this answer. So this is the value of PQ, which is 2.8 times 10 to the power of 2 meter. Next, area of triangle PQR, we use the formula of area of triangle. which is 1 over 2 times base times height. So this is the base and height is what we calculate just now. So this is the area of the triangle. We want to find the cost of the land. So the area times with 45 ringgit. So the value of or the cost of the land is 1,323,000 ringgit. So making a conclusion, distance of PQ is 2.8 times 10 to the power of 2 meter and total cost of land is 1,323,000. Next, example 16. The picture shows the Earth with diameter of 1.2752 times 10 to the power of 4 kilometer. Calculate the surface area of the Earth in kilometer square. State the answer in standard form or write 4 significant figures. Given here the formula of surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, and also given the value of pi equals to 3.142. First, understanding the problem. Earth is a sphere. The diameter of the Earth is 1.2742 times 10 to the power of 4 kilometer. The answer is in standard form, correct for significant figures. So now, planning a strategy. In order to use this formula, we have to find the radius, which is diameter divided by 2. Use formula of surface area of sphere to calculate the surface area of the Earth. Now, implementing the strategy, the radius of the Earth is 6.371 times 10 to the power of 3 kilometer. Use the formula of surface area of Earth. 4 times pi times r square equals to this value, and change this to standard form and give the answer correct for significant figures. So 5.101, this is 4 significant figures, times 10 to the power of 8 kilometer square. So this is your homework. I want you to do mind test 2.2D and also the dynamic challenge. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you and see you in the next video.